tough steels. Whether you're making axle shafts, you're making shafts for turbines, drive shafts, crankshafts, and other key power transmission line components are made out of fairly tough steels with good elasticity. Machining them, especially as they increase that percentage of molybdenum, gets a little bit harder. So I wanted to share with you today the newest grade from Sandvik as well as prime turning. Let's check it out. Now, Sandvik does some great videos. The way they get the angles, the way the chips fly. Here's their rougher for the prime turning if you're not familiar. And keep in mind, they're doing this dry for the footage of it. Your actual cutting parameters with these tools are considerably higher. But this gives you an idea of the chip breaking, the way the heat transfers to the chip. And that long cutting edge right there is all done to disperse the heat throughout the carbide more instead of cutting on one small nose. Now they redesigned their Inveo technology for this. They weren't happy with the results, so they've improved it on another generation. And before we can really say Bob's your uncle, that part's already done. Here comes the finisher. Watching those chips fly. Just hearing them ping within the machine, the slow-mo, watching that chip formation, the coil builds and breaks. And there we go. So here is something interesting. Look how the camera's coming in and they take pictures of the edges so they can track the tool wear as they're doing their different testing and comparisons through the new design process. Here's a durability comparison, the amount of cut time that the tool survived. So these claims are what I'm seeing so far. Now it's been out for a few months, so it's getting more adopted into the machine shops. My most common feedback so far has been that they can get the same tool life or better, typically better, and they are gonna add an extra 200 SFM to their surface feet a minute calculations, which if you think about it, they're running at a higher SFM. That means they're getting more parts through the machine per hour, which means they're getting more jobs through that spindle. And we're all here to do better, save more money, improve our sales so we can support our customers and compete on the global market. Thanks for checking out tonight's video about the newest grade from Sandvik for steel turning, as well as a little bit of their prime turning. If you are currently not using the newest grade of Sandvik, I highly recommend you take the opportunity to set up the test so you can see for yourself everything they've been showing in this video and across their social media platform. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.